In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and manage your finances using EveryDollar.com. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking for a streamlined system to track your spending, EveryDollar offers tools that make financial planning straightforward and less stressful. First, we'll start by visiting the EveryDollar website. You can access your account by navigating to their website and entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your budget categories and current financial situation. Familiarize yourself with the layout, which is designed to give you a clear view of your financial health at a glance. Next, head to the right side of the screen and click on the Transaction tab. This section is crucial, as it's where you'll be tracking all your spending activity. From here, you can manually enter each transaction, ensuring your budget accurately reflects your expenditures. This step is vital in maintaining a holistic view of your finances. Now, if you'd like to take your budgeting to the next level, hover at the bottom of the screen and click on the Connect Your Bank option. It's important to note that this feature is available only if you have the premium version of EveryDollar. Once you've upgraded, connecting your bank will save you time by automatically streaming your transactions into the app. This automation allows you to stay accountable to your budget, helps you avoid overspending, and makes overdraft fees a thing of the past by keeping track of your spending in real time. Once you have your bank connected, the next step is to go through your transactions in the Accounts section. Here you can assign each transaction to specific budget categories. This feature allows you to break down each expense, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for in your budget. With the premium version, you'll enjoy the convenience of having transactions categorized and synced automatically without the tedious task of manual entry. A quick tip: when connecting your bank within EveryDollar, you'll be prompted to search for your bank. The platform supports a wide range of major financial institutions, so finding your bank should be straightforward. After selecting your bank, log in securely with your online banking credentials. From this point, EveryDollar starts streaming your transactions directly into your budget, allowing you to split and assign transactions easily. This setup provides automatic syncing and real-time balance visibility, keeping you informed about where your money is going with no guesswork needed. EveryDollar is an excellent tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and optimize your financial life, ensuring that you make smarter, more informed financial decisions. Happy budgeting!